Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I have some Scrapdiva Designs project share for you guys. I have been combining some dies from previous release as well to show you my embellishments that I've been making, and I am going to be showing you what is from the June release first. So Scrapdiva Design has this rosette set, and this one is called the Diamond Rosette. So I have used this one to combine it with two other die sets. I also have been using this one here. This one comes with many different sizes, as you can see, and you can layer them together, and that is called the Cloud Doily. This ribbon is covering the name. It's called Cloud Doily. So I've been using those. Then I have also showed you guys these words before, but I have been decorating using these words. So I have the beach words number 2 set, the holiday word set, and the beach word number 3 that I used to make some more embellishments that I could have ready for me to use in my future crafting. I have also used this one here, which is the Aster flower bag topper set, and this was part of the May release, and I only used the bag topper part from this cutting die set. This set does give you some beautiful Aster flower layering pieces, but I didn't use any of those. I only used the bag topper parts. Now, I wanted to use the bag topper parts because Smile by Holly, I will have her channel down below. She used the bag topper part only and combined it with some other sets as well. And I really wanted to give that a go. So I was inspired by Smile by Holly. So let me show you the bag toppers that I have created. So this one here has components of items that my friend Jody here in Australia has recently sent me. Well, it's not recent anymore. She sent it for my birthday mail. And she had lots of summer items in there already made for me to use for my embellishment making. And I got to use them. So Jody had this swimmer girl, and I just added the bow on top for her hair accessory. She also made me these slippers, these flip-flops, and I just added the Scrapdiva Designs flower piece here. And I also added some sunglasses foam sticker. Then I used one of the words from this month release, Pool Day. And I have also made the rosette. So this is the diamond rosette that you get in the set. So with the diamond rosette, let me show you. So this is a really tall rosette piece. So if you cut this out and put two together, you will make a large size rosette. But I cut mine down slightly, a little bit off the bottom, so I could create this size here. So I believe I did like 2.5 and 2 1/4 and even 1 3/4, something like that, to change the size of the rosette. So depending on your project, you can leave it big as is, like this, or you can chop the bottom off so you get that diamond shape still remaining. And because the score line is quite thin in width here, you get to make more flatter style rosette. But if you like dimensional rosettes, you guys, you don't have to follow the exact score line. You can actually skip that line there, and then you can just fold, do the mountain valley fold using the every second score line. And that will give you a more dimensional rosette. But I did really like the fact that this rosette created a really much flatter version, as you can see. So it helps me layer more on top. What I also did to the bottom of the rosette is this piece here, and that piece is from the Cloud Doily set. So it gives you many different circular sizes that you can layer on many different things. So I used a bigger one and a smaller one on top of the rosette. This is another bigger one here. And I just used the Our Groovy summer paper with the daisy. I love this pattern paper so much. And I also did use this piece here. This piece is included in the Rosette set, so you also get extra embellishment making bit as well. I believe this was designed so that you can put it in the middle of this rosette piece, but I never really do that. I always like to layer on top of my rosettes, so I have used this as a layering piece. So I used it as a sunshine piece, so it matches the word sunshine, and it says sunshine, happy days. I have this one here, which is the sun-kissed word that I am featuring, but I also did use one of the larger cloud doily piece at the very bottom underneath this rosette. Then I added another smaller cloud doily piece on top and finished decorating with all of my fruity ephemera. And I wanted to accent this piece here, so I used a dome heart sticker that my friend Christy sent from America. Isn't this so pretty? I really love the fresh colors in here. And then I have also utilized this piece that I have been saving for many years. I believe I received this in a Happy Mail a long time ago. And it was one of the Hobby Lobby sticker. I think it was a Paper Studio sticker piece. And it was a Ferris wheel one. So I used that and I just added the word adventure from one of the word set that was released. So fun. And because these bag toppers are more bigger size, what I can do with this is cover, it's like a special gift packaging. So let's say that you wanted to gift something that had some items in there and you wanted to cover it for a surprise. It would be a really nice way to cover your gift so that when the recipient receives it and they lift it up and they can see the surprise underneath. And I also do think that this particular type of bag topper is also great to use for your mini album page. So it's like a flip up. And I also think this is a great handmade card as well. This is a frame embellishment I made using the word vacation with the shaker aeroplane. And I used the Maggie Holmes suitcase ephemera. And I double layered this piece that's included in the Rosette set. I have also used the word seashells this time. And my friend Jody made me the swimmer lady and the seashell shaker. And she also gifted me this ocean wave ticket or postage stamp piece. So I used it all and it looks so pretty all together. I added these holographic star flatback stickers as if they're like starfish in the ocean. Here is another little piece that I have decorated using some clear mermaid sticker pieces and the word beach. This one I used the word getaway. This was a longer piece of word, but I chopped it down because I only wanted to use the getaway. I believe it was a weekend getaway piece. I had this really large camera piece that I never knew how to use it, but I was thinking I made this cluster first using the Vespa sticker and all of these pieces from our Groovy Summer collection. And I thought, you know what, this wheel bit actually matches the middle of the camera lens. So I made sure to add this Vespa right here to cover the middle of the camera lens, and it worked out really well for me. And I only glued the bottom piece here, so this becomes like a tuck spot too. And then I have this tag piece here. So this was a chipboard tag piece that I had for a while, and I love this minty color that totally matched the shaker aeroplane that I made previously. So I used that with the 2 layered aeroplane circles that's also released by Scrapdiva this month. And then I added the Maggie Holmes suitcase ephemera and I put Explore puffy sticker on top. Finished it off with the 2 little hearts at the top and it says vacay vibes. So it's a shaker tag. Then I used the pieces that my friend made for me, these 2 swimmer girls. I used that piece from the Rosette set as a sun And I also did use the word beach. Then here is another seashell one where I have combined 2 different sizes of the cloud doily set. And I added my seashell here. I added all of these bubble stickers from the mermaid sticker sheet that I had. And it says ocean view. And this piece, flower piece, was also made for me by my friend Jody here in Australia. And I have one final piece to show you guys. This word sunset is also released this month. So pretty, right? It totally matches the swimming bikini set that my friend made for me. So I had a lot of fun using the word pieces. So instead of just creating the shadow word pieces to add to certain theme only, instead of just like using it for mini album pages and things, you can also just have fun using them to make your fun embellishments. And make lots of embellishments like me. You never know when you're going to need these for your other projects in the future. Thank you so much for listening to me. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you get to make lots of fun things, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye for now.